Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace headlights on a Dodge Ram 1500. This easy method will save you time and money. First, gather your tools, including a ratchet, an extension, and a 10mm socket. You will also need your new headlight bulbs. Remember to wear safety gloves and eye protection to protect yourself throughout the process. Let's get started. Now, let's access the headlight assembly. Open your truck's hood and locate the two bolts at the top of the headlight housing. Using your 10mm socket and ratchet, carefully remove these two bolts. Once the bolts are out, gently pull the entire headlight assembly straight forward. It should slide out without much resistance, revealing the bulbs. With the headlight assembly out, it's time to replace the bulb. First, disconnect the electrical connector from the back of the old bulb. Then, twist the old bulb counterclockwise to release it from the housing. Be careful not to touch the glass of the new bulb. Insert the new bulb into the housing, twisting it clockwise until it locks securely into place. Reconnect the electrical connector. Finally, let's put everything back together. Carefully slide the headlight assembly back into its slot on the truck. Make sure it aligns properly. Reinstall the two 10mm bolts you removed earlier, tightening them securely. Once everything is reassembled, turn on your truck and test both the low and high beams to confirm your new headlights are working correctly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.